Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I appreciate you for stopping by and clicking on that thumbnail to check this video out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are in the loop every time I upload a video. If you are returning, hey Sugar Muffin, I appreciate you for coming back as well. So Bobbi Boss has released a few new units in their Truly Me collection, and I'm going to be reviewing Andrina as well as Marcia. So with this Truly Me collection, they are claiming that their units are ready to wear with a natural lace front as well as effortless styling. So that's something we all love, right? Alright, so let me go ahead and show you the stock card for the first unit we're going to be reviewing, which is Andrina. And I happen to have her in the color FS1B/30. This is what her stock card looks like. And just so you know, these are some of the other styles of the newer units that just came out. And Andrina and Marcia are down at the bottom. These are the bottom two that I'm going to be reviewing. I also have another one of these that I'm going to save for another time. So look forward to that as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right into the review. Miss Andrina, let's go ahead and chat about her, and let me give you my good thoughts. So look at this. Let me start with the pros, y'all. Like, I love this style. Like, you cannot go wrong with this good body wave style, y'all. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. I love this. Like, this little bang swoop back thing going on right here. That is so cute to me. Oh, I love this, y'all. Another thing I love is the texture and softness of this hair. So I won't give it a full yakky, but it definitely got some yak up in here. There's some yak up in here. Oh, it's a whole vibe. Ah, yes. I also love the fact that I have not been getting too much tangling with this unit. Noise. No tangling. Oh my goodness. This hair feels so good. It feels great, y'all. Woo! I just can't stop feeling myself in this. This is so cute to me. The parting space is also very nice. It gives you a nice, good range of parting space. I would say about 4.5 max inches. That's good parting space. And I didn't have to pluck anything. I just added some foundation powder and called it a day. This is really a true throw and go, y'all. Like, minimal work. What did I do? Took her out the pack, put her on, comb her out, lay down a few baby hairs, which you do not have to do. And I love the fact that Bobbi Boss said, hello, Come on, y'all remember when Bobbi Boss was giving us baby bangs? Improvement. Check. Improvement. That's growth, Bobbi Boss. Thank you. Thank you for getting these baby hairs just a little more thin. We don't like them bangs. We don't like bangs. So I appreciate that. Alright, so just a few cons. You know, there are some cons, of course. So this unit is doing quite a bit of shedding. I'm not getting the tangling, but I'm getting the shedding. For me personally, I can take one or the other. I can't stand when it's doing both. I'll take one or the other, not both. I'll take a little shedding. And it's not even like heavy shedding. Like I've had some wigs that like every stroke of a comb or brush, like all the hair is coming out. That's not really happening. It's pretty mild to medium. It's mild to medium shedding. Yeah, I can live with it. As long as I ain't tangling and shedding, I'm good. Alright, now another con, y'all. I'm so sorry to say, I don't believe that this is big head friendly. This unit is so snug on my head, and I have a small to medium size head. My head measures at 21.5 inches, in case you don't follow me and you don't already know that. But this joint right here is a little snug. I'm sorry, y'all. Now, the length of this hair, this is some good length here. It's actually kind of long. Oh, it's not that long. It may be about 22, 24 inches. Good length. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's summertime, though, so, you know, you may not want all of this hair, because I feel like this is quite a bit of hair. It's actually some really good density also. It's not just long, but it's long and full. So, woo, summertime is risky. Wearing this in the summertime is risky if you out in the heat all day. Just be careful, y'all. Drink water. Alright, so let's talk about the price. The price of this unit ranges anywhere from $27 to $37. So to me, that's still affordable. It is under $40. I do prefer under $30 to make it more affordable. But I will provide the Google search link down below so that you can explore your options. Now, is it worth it? Absolutely. I really love this one. Like, I can't even believe it. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much. I think it's cute. It is definitely giving a look. It's giving a look, y'all. Now, it is a lot of hair, so I'm starting to get a little hot, but it's definitely a look. Just be careful. If you're gonna wear this, don't be outside all day. Go to an indoor event. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and switch into the other unit, which is Marcia. So I'm back with Miss Marcia, and ooh, honey, these golden locks right here. I love this color. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I like this one better. I don't know. But I really like this one. Alright, so the cap construction was exactly the same, so that's why I didn't show you again. Alright, but let me show you the stock card, and I actually have her in the color TT2/3273. I don't even know what that means, but this is what we got. And this is what the stock card looks like. They are really living up to that ready to wear, because again, not a whole lot to do, y'all. Now, I did shift this one to a right side part because I did not see if Andrina was shiftable, although I think she is. I love it as a side part. I think it's super cute. Like, come on and get in my face right here. Now, a big difference from Andrina with this one is because of the color, a whole lot more shedding, y'all. Now, with Andrina, there was hardly any tangling at all. This one, I'm getting a few little snags here and there. It's not a lot, but every once in a while I'll catch a little snag. Oh look, I'm glad. This one, yeah, okay. Every once in a while though, I will get a snag. So that might be the biggest difference for me, is the extra level of shedding. Everything else is pretty much the same when it comes to the texture, the feel, the density, even the length. I think the length is exactly the same. Like, yeah, we're at the same length at that like 22, 24 mark. So that's doable. And the density again is still quite full. Now, it's not as full up here. Same price and everything, and I feel like this one is worth it too. Like, these are some cute ones here. Like, you can do some things with these. I feel like this is definitely giving a look. What y'all think? Which one y'all like better? You like the golden locks of Marcia, or do you like the dark Andrina? Like, which one you like? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let's chat about these units. Y'all know I'm always here responding back. I try to respond to every single person that leaves me a comment. I really do. You know, sometimes YouTube, when I tell you that notification struggle is real, like, they do not be sending out the notifications as they should be. So I have to personally just go back and just look and make sure I didn't miss anybody, because I don't want to miss anybody. I want to respond to all of you. So I appreciate your comments. And even if you have nothing to say about the hair, just say, hey girl, I was here. I stopped by and I looked at your videos. I would appreciate that, because otherwise I won't know that you were here. I just won't know. Unless you leave a comment, I won't know. Alright, well, I don't have anything else, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I hope you enjoyed these 2 new units from Bobbi Ball's Truly Me collection. I think they're wonderful, and I feel like there may be a couple more that I actually pick up. And then I also have one more in this collection that I have turned into a budget-friendly Friday unit, so you'll be seeing her on Friday. Alright, well, as usual, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.